Water taxi, hop on hop in. Ano pangalan ng company nun? No, ano? Yung hop in hop on na river cruise.
Kwento na kayo na si David eh. Oo. Kaya nga kayo na ayaw magpapicture. Sabi niya, I'm the tourist in my own country. The house of the president?
LSE, the White House?
That's a...
I bet we're gonna be first because there's a lot of stairs and they're old, so.
Oh, yes.
I told him I was not going to kidnap you. You can go. We can go down together. Ganda naman. Ay, nabibidyo si Irwin.
Walking tour
Okay.
with voice over.
Pero mo naka-carpet siya.
Wala yung carpet natin doon sa ano.
Ano yan? Royal blue, o diba?
Kasi nakascrew, kailangan nakascrew.
Yeah. During Jenny's birthday. Royal blue, remember they gave the top cake on Jenny's birthday.
Oh, yeah. Oy, sabihin niya tayo kamating ha.
O, tinan mo, bilis namin!
Elevator yan.
Papa, je ne vois pas sur les toits d'une voiture.
Je la confisque.
Je ne vois pas sur la portail.
Je veux voir si ça touche une voiture, tu vas m'entendre.
Watch out! You go ah.
Okay ka lang ate?
Ngayon dito.
Yan mo mami may sapa yung susuot eh.
Baka mamaya pagdating doon sa mahangin.
Hindi, ano ka na dun? Ay, dala mo yung shell mo, yung
Pinambalot niya doon sa baso eh.
Oo naman, sa tinigan nila kayo.
Daming polis. Okay.